XRP Ripple's BlackRock, one of the largest financial behemoths in the world, is mostly responsible for the recent amazing growth in the cryptocurrency market. The news has come to light and is making the Bitcoin market shake like never before. In a surprising twist of fate, after a major player in the worldwide finance game bought it, the Rock of Black, the price of XRP has shot up to an incredible $725. You read correctly. Yes, $724. This is not your usual market volatility. Rather, it's the sort of price rise that catches notice, prompts investors to consider why this is occurring now, and why the BlackRock's action is so revolutionary for XRP. Ripple has been active in the cryptocurrency market for quite some time, yet the general public has often overlooked it in favor of more well-known names like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Though it is a well-known cryptocurrency dedicated to changing worldwide payments, XRP has had several difficulties, including legal disputes and market volatility. Though the coin has never been able to draw much attention, this is about to alter. BlackRock's involvement is a significant turning point for Ripple. BlackRock's choice to invest significantly in XRP clearly signals to the market that cryptocurrencies are not only here to stay but also being embraced by the major players. Beyond just making a deliberate investment, BlackRock's activities are inform banking behemoths and other institutional investors on how BlackRock is changing the financial scene. The price of XRP has risen to levels that few could have predicted, therefore already affecting the market by this transaction. Usually we don't see a jump to $724 in a few hours, but here we are. This massive increase has caused ripples of enthusiasm, speculation, and naturally more trading activity. Deep pockets and power in the conventional finance industry mean much, thus their support of XRP might pave the way for more institutional acceptance of cryptocurrencies. But the fun keeps going. The Globe observes, investors are wondering whether this marks the start of a new era for Ripple, one in which it finally becomes known and accepted by the general population. Will this increase be a passing trend or a forerunner to more important future events? Backed by BlackRock, XRP is no longer just a niche cryptocurrency, rather it is poised to become a major market participant. BlackRock's engagement with XRP is surely changing the game, since the cryptocurrency scene is changing quicker than ever. This time deserves our attention. This change is being driven by Ripple. XRP, though many are unaware of it, Ripple is among the most discussed cryptocurrencies around. Connect currencies to Ethereum or Bitcoin. By developing a digital currency that makes cross-border transactions quick and cheap, XRP has been steadily rising the ranks. Ripple, the company that created XRP, is trying to change the world financial system by doing something current banking systems find difficult. Essentially, XRP is a bridge between several currencies that lets banks and other financial institutions move money across borders without the usual delays or high expenses. Unlike Bitcoin, which verifies transactions using a proof-of-work method, XRP's technology distinguishes it from other cryptocurrency. XRP's consensus protocol enables quicker transactions, can be processed nearly instantly using the XRP ledger, and money transfers are far less costly than they would be with conventional financial systems. When you think about the daily international money transfer volume, this is a significant benefit. XRP is a tempting choice for banks and even central banks trying to update their systems in spite of these benefits, since Ripple wants to enable cheap real-time international payments. XRP has faced challenges along the road. The market for cryptocurrencies is very erratic. Ripple has also encountered many legal issues. Legal action taken against Ripple by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, in 2020 has been one of its greatest difficulties. Ripple Labs claims that the company had conducted an unregistered securities offering by selling XRP have left investors uncertain and hesitant to completely adopt XRP. Though the legal fight has been continuous and raised questions about XRP, regulatory future and status, still Ripple has kept pushing forward and inventing despite these obstacles, upsetting the financial industry. With BlackRock in control, things are improving for XRP. BlackRock's participation helps not only Ripple but also the whole cryptocurrency sector. Long one of the most important corporations in the financial sector, BlackRock manages trillions of dollars in assets. When a force like that moves, gets noted, this could mark a turning point for XRP. Among the biggest institutional investors in the world, BlackRock has indicated its support for Ripple's technology and its possibilities in the global financial arena. Choosing to purchase XRP makes BlackRock's investment size and reach impossible to overstate, and their support of XRP sends a clear message to other important people. In finance, this could lead to even more need for XRP, which would increase its price and keep the rising trend that has been forming. The price of XRP has shot up to an incredible $7,254 following this announcement, a notable rise for any. What does this increase mean for XRP in the long run? Hoping to enter the market and ride the wave of this price increase, investors are rushing to XRP. Is this only a short-term bounce, or does Black have more in store? Rock's backing for XRP is more strong than ever. A new age in its past could be approaching. XRP's future appears more bright than ever, and it's a tale worth hearing. Many are asking what will become of the cryptocurrency given XRP's recent amazing $725 price rise. Rather than a temporary blip, this increase is a significant milestone that shows changing market dynamics. That is why BlackRock's participation explains why XRP experienced such a sharp increase. This unexpected price rise was caused by BlackRock's purchase of XRP. BlackRock's presence is clear proof that institutional investors are beginning to take cryptocurrencies like XRP seriously, as investors are constantly looking for indicators that a major financial industry player is investing in a cryptocurrency. Though what are the immediate and long-term consequences of this increase for XRP? Their support is revolutionary for Ripple and the whole cryptocurrency sector. The market has raised XRP pricing in reaction. More and more investors are expected to drive up the price of XRP since they believe it to be a great opportunity. The rise in trading volume and liquidity will draw more institutional investors who will try to profit from the momentum. But what about the long-term effects? Will the price eventually fall, or will it keep going up? It's difficult to say for certain, but BlackRock's support gives XRP a degree of legitimacy that has never been known before. Though institutional investors tend to be cautious, BlackRock's significant investment